Oh man, it's been a while since I've been over here. We'll see. I'm gonna come over and do some scouting, do a bit of hiking. I wanted to be over here around 12 and it's going on 1. Doesn't leave me a whole lot of time, but I want to go do like a little walk and scout and then make up my mind. I'm gonna take a camera with me. And I may end up just coming right back and hunting near the car, but I just want to kind of go see what, with all the leaves falling, man, it's been so hard to figure out where these deer are. Like, I want to find a good, fresh, oh, somebody's been here, you can see some tracks, I mean, you can see them or not. Doesn't mean they killed anything or seen anything either, but I want to see, this is where I like to hunt at. I don't hide at 278, Game Land State 278. Had to stick my teeth in quick. I want to go see if there's any fresh deer sign over here. Where I'm hunting at, I'm not seeing much around the house. So I want to go see, shit, I turned this off. I want to go see what I can see if there's any deer sign over here or not. See what's roaming around in state game lands. I got my climber. Shit, there's my dad calling me, hang on. So I scouted this spot earlier in the year. Here's the acorns and stuff, trees that were dropping. These are white oaks in here. I thought, man, this would be an awesome spot to hunt. And I was just looking to see if there's any sign, even of people that have been in here, because it's not far from the parking lot. Got a nice little thicket here. Cornfield over there, it's picked. It's been picked and cut and everything. You can tell the leaves are a little rustled up, but nothing crazy. I kind of wanted to hunt right back in here. Maybe in this white oak right here, or just get back along the edge here. I think I was thinking about that little white oak right here, getting up in there a ways. Yeah, or maybe this guy right here, but I don't know. I might come back here and hunt tonight. Right now I'm on a mission. I want to get over by the beaver dam. It's a long hike. It's a long hike to get over there and get back, but yeah, I scouted this earlier in the year and wanted to see if there's any sign here. Something's been in here kicking around, digging. Something's been in here. It's really dry. Like, it's really, really dry. It's really loud walking in the woods too. That doesn't help. I don't think that helps anything. Deer can hear me from a fucking mile away. There's another little maple tree over here. Oh, is that a fresh scrape? It looks like that could be a scrape. That's what I'm looking for, a scrape right here. It's dry, it's scratched up. Alright. This might be a spot. We might hunt here tonight. Okay. Hopefully I'll spook everything out of here. If I do, hopefully it's early enough. It's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. This maple tree over here is the one I wanted to hunt out of. Be this tree right here, but unless you get way the hell up there, I'm gonna be skylined so easily. Like, you'll see me coming, like, unless they don't look up. But man, this state game lands, they're gonna look up. Like, I mean, unless I get way the hell up in there, which I can get up there pretty high, but I don't know. I don't think that's a very good spot for me to get into. There's a hickory tree over here. Maybe in this hickory. But them white oaks are right over there, so that might be the spot. Either that or maybe find a tree up in here. Alright, my boy's sending me a message. Let's see what he's doing. He's hunting state game lands and over by his house tonight. Over at his uncle's house with Brad. That's awesome. See, here's another spot that I wanted to hunt. I really like his hickory, this double hickory, and this little double maple right here. You know, I'd get up there probably, I don't know, right in here somewhere in that area. You know, there's no cover. You're no cover. I mean, it's a bigger tree, so the tree itself would have to be my cover. And kind of the same with this hickory right here. I have to get up there where I can kind of scoot in between these trees. You know, this maple here might not be a bad spot. Look at it quick. You know, maybe get in there and hang from up there. There's a limb. This limb right here. Right there. Maybe get in there and then you got a little bit of cover from the tree itself. But like, this is very, very hard to hunt in here because there's all the leaves fell and you got no cover. Alright, so I just made a mock scrape. I just peed in it myself, and I shot a buck here. My first public buck with a bow. It was right here. They come walking across here, and I dropped him in his tracks with my bow. I hit him. It was an absolutely perfect shot, and I had to put a follow-up in him, but I didn't have to. I just wanted to. But yeah, I just made a scrape. I'm not seeing shit for signs, so I might hunt right here tomorrow morning. I don't think I'm going to come here tonight, but maybe. I don't know, maybe I will. We'll see what happens. Hiking along. So we did some scouting. Found like 2 or 3 scrapes. One I'm not real sure about. One I'm real sure about. And another one I'm pretty sure about. It's a scrape from last year. It looks like they're still using it. It had some leaves on it, so it's not as fresh as one of the other ones I found. And then I made a scrape. And yeah. I was gonna set my camera up, but decided not to. I should have put my camera on the one spot, and I decided not to, and I don't know why. Maybe tomorrow I can slip in there and put my camera on it. See what happens. I still don't know where I'm going hunting at tonight, but scouting and at the end of October, like around Halloween, when you gotta go scouting right now, it's like last minute Christmas shopping, and like struggling to figure out where I want to go. And it's just like, man, we're coming. I mean, we still got a lot of season left, but like, man, I really want to kill a buck with my bow this year. And it's not even November yet, so I mean, it's not like we don't got lots of time. It's just whatever with my job makes it a little bit difficult, but it's alright. We're grinding, we're out after it, making the best of it. And yeah, I needed the exercise, so I got a really good hike in. It'll be like a good 2 to 3 hour hike, probably 2 or 3 miles, something like that. So I can feel it. I definitely needed it, so that's awesome. I like hunting this in here, but it's a fucking clear cut. It's like next to impossible to hunt. Without putting like a big, like, I don't know, some sort of great big tripod stand or getting up in one of these trees with a fucking sniper rifle. I don't know. You know, maybe you get lucky and one walk close enough to you, but man, oh man, oh man. Like if you're walking down this road really quiet, you might be able to do a walking stalk on something. You know, you might do that. I've walked up on a buck this way once. I didn't have my bow up and ready to go, but if I would have, I could have shot him. He stood there and looked at him. Actually, it happened to me twice. And yeah, doing some last minute Christmas shopping in the woods here, scouting. I found some sign, not as much sign as I wanted to find, but I found some sign. I don't know, man. I'm regretting not shooting that 8-point earlier in the year. I'm glad I didn't shoot it. So, it is what it is. Thank God my boy's a killer and got me a deer. So, yeah. I would have killed one by now if he didn't kill one, so. He killed one doe over behind the house. That's enough. That's enough over there. If we shoot a buck over there, great. If not, that's just great too. I wish we could build a bigger deer population, but it gets hunted so hard. Everybody's so hard on the deer. They get shot up so easily. It's amazing we have any deer running around there, honestly. Alright guys, I'm gonna get this hiking in and get back. I'm almost back. And they're probably 15-20 minutes. Something like that, 20 minutes probably. It's 2:22. So I'm hoping to be back down to my car and headed to a spot to hunt by 3. Still don't even know where I want to go yet. I might go to that first spot I see and take my saddle and go in there and hunt. I'd like to go hunt by that scrape. I might do that tomorrow morning. See how we're feeling. I don't know. Peace and love, everybody. Thought I heard one. I think I just jumped one in there. Something. There was something laying in there. It's so thick. I mean, my God. There's no way to hunt it. You can't even walk through it. Peace, everybody.